Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Gemini AI on Android phone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Gemini AI on your Android phone, first, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Next, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and hit search. Locate the Gemini AI app in the search results and tap on it. Select the install button to download the app to your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Gemini AI. When the app opens for the first time, you may need to allow permissions for location or notifications. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. You may need to create a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Explore the home screen to see the main features of Gemini AI. To use a specific feature, tap on it to access the tools available. If you're looking to generate text, navigate to the text section. Input your prompt or question in the designated area. After entering your prompt, tap the Generate button. Wait a moment as Gemini AI processes your request. Once the output is ready, review the results displayed on your screen. You can copy, edit, or share the generated content as needed. If you want to try different features, return to the main menu. Spend time experimenting with various functionalities to understand how Gemini AI works. For more advanced options, explore the Settings menu to customize your preferences. Make sure to check for updates regularly to enjoy the latest features and improvements. Feel free to consult the Help section for additional guidance or troubleshooting tips. Using Gemini AI can greatly enhance your productivity and creativity on your Android phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.